Because the world is so big and made up of so many different places, geographers have invented tools to make it easier to look at the world. The most important of these tools are maps and globes. Maps and globes can help geographers and you to see the world without ever leaving home. This is a photograph of the Earth taken from a satellite orbiting in space. As you can see, looking at a globe is kind of like looking at the Earth from space. A globe is a model or small copy of the Earth. Like the Earth, a globe is round. At the top of the globe, you can see the North Pole. The North Pole is the northernmost place on the Earth. At the opposite end of the globe is the South Pole. The South Pole is the southernmost place on the Earth. Halfway in between the two poles is an imaginary line that goes all the way around the Earth. This line is called the equator. It divides the Earth into two halves, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. The word hemisphere means half a sphere. A sphere is a round object, like a ball, or in this case, the Earth. Each hemisphere, then, is half the Earth. There is another imaginary line that circles the Earth the other way, running through the North Pole and the South Pole. This line is called the prime meridian. It divides the Earth into the eastern and western hemispheres. Geographers have created a whole series of these imaginary lines to help locate places on the Earth. Lines that run east and west are called lines of latitude. Lines that run north and south are called lines of longitude. These lines intersect to form a grid. Geographers can use this grid to describe the exact location of every place on Earth.